Hello dear all, welcome to our channel Smart Indian Model School. Smart Indian Model School present Smart Indian EduFun classes. EduFun online classes includes course studies of playgroup to class 12, emotional and communication skills, happiness classes and DIY activities.
Hello बच्चों, गुड मॉर्निंग. टुडे वी आर स्टार्टिंग चैप्टर 9 algebraic expressions of and identities. So we are starting a new chapter about algebraic expression and identities. First of all we will study about algebraic expressions. So what are the expressions? The equation in the form of, वो equation जो इन forms में पाई जाती हैं, like x plus 3, 2y, 3x square, 4xy plus 10 etc. are called algebraic expressions. If you find out such expressions anywhere, these expressions are called algebraic expressions. Now next topic is terms. What are the terms? So if you have a expression like 4xy, 4x plus 3y plus 2, then 4x is a term, 3y is also a term and 2 is also a term. So 4x, 3y and 2 are called terms. Means an algebraic expression also contain terms. For example, here x and 3 are two terms, 2y is one term, 3x square is a term, 4xy is a term and 10 also is a term. So this expression contains two terms, this expression contains one term, this also contains only one term, this expression contains two terms. Now the next topic is coefficient. So what are the coefficients? Let's take an expression like 2x square plus 3x plus 6. We have taken an expression, then the numeral factor of any of the term is called a coefficient. Means 2 is a coefficient of x square, 3 is a coefficient of x and 6 is a constant term because 6 does not contain any of the algebraic variable. That is why 6 is constant, 2 is a coefficient of x square, 3 is a coefficient of x. When a numeral is with any variable in the multiplication form, this numeral is called coefficient of that variable. Let's move to the next. Now we have a next topic. Next topic is monomial. What are the monomials? If an expression contains only one term, then it is called monomial. For example, (3x), there is nothing with plus 1 or anything else, minus with 3x is not containing anything in its subtraction or addition. 3x is alone, means it is monomial. 4x square is alone, means it is a monomial. The expression which contain only one term, 3x is a one term, 4x square is only a one term, that is why these expressions are called monomials. For example, only 4 is also a monomial. Now the next is binomial. So it is quite same as monomial, but only there is a difference of two terms. If an expression contains two terms, then it will be called binomial. If an expression contains only one term, it is called monomial. But if an expression contains two terms, then it will be called monomial. For example, 3x plus 1. As you can see that 3x is one term and 1 is also a term. So this expression have two terms. When an expression contains two terms, it is called binomial. 4x square plus 6 is a binomial. 3y plus z is a binomial, etc. Next topic is trinomial. It is quite same also बच्चों. If an expression contains three terms, trinomial mean three terms. If an expression contains three terms, it is called trinomial. For example, let's take its example. For example, 3x square plus 2x plus 1. One term, second term, third term. This expression has three terms. That is why it is called a trinomial. A plus B plus C. Three terms. It is called trinomial, etc. And the last and most important topic is polynomial. If an expression contains one or more terms. If an expression contains one term or more than one terms, then it is called polynomial. We can name them as monomial, binomial, trinomial, but we can also call them only polynomial. For example, a plus b plus c plus d. This expression contains four terms. That is why it is called polynomial. But because of having four terms, we can't name it. So we call it only polynomial. 7xyz minus 10. 7xyz is one term and 10 is next term. So this expression contains two terms. Means it is also a polynomial. Although we call it binomial as it contains two terms, but we also can call it only polynomial. Same as if we contain 3x as a expression, 3 is alone, but still because of expression it is called polynomial, although it is a constant polynomial. For example, if we take 4x as an expression, 4x is also having only one term, mean it is a monomial, but we can also call it binomial. So any expression which contain one term or more than one term is called polynomial.
यदि आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो आगे की वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन प्राप्त करने के लिए कृपया बेल बटन दबाएं और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल ऑफ एडुफन क्लासेस। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।